Hi everyone, today we will be demonstrating how to replace the Clearview Compact Mirror glass. Begin by pushing your mirror forward and lowering the glass into its furthest position. With a screwdriver, gently pry the top two tags to release it from the actuator. Ensure that you are mindful of any wiring beneath. Please proceed and watch the overview for more information. Now that you have removed the glass, there may be some wiring beneath your glass. Gently dislocate the wiring. If your mirror does not contain wiring, do not worry about this step, just remove the glass. Now that any wiring has been removed, set your glass to the side and find your replacement glass. Now simply reconnect any wiring. Please ensure when you commence this step that the wiring is fully connected. Match the tags from the replacement glass to the slots on the mirror frame. Please ensure that you have the glass the correct way around, and with a full hand apply pressure to clip the glass back into place. To ensure that you have installed the replacement glass correctly, with 2 fingers move the glass up and down. This will ensure full movement. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Clearview towing mirrors.